My name is Shazib Baskamber and I'm going to clone the stable version of Ardupilot. My experience related to the fixed wing, I'm going to clone the branch of planes from the Ardupilot and its stable version is 4.5.5. I just want to give you a short overview related to the stable version and the developer version. The stable version of software is fully tested and ready for deploy with maximum bug-free code coverage of existing problems, and recommended for the own customization and risk-free from extra challenges. And the developer version is used for testing, feature development, and working on advanced function adding. Not recommended for own customization and included on same challenges. So that's why I'm going to clone the stable version of Ardupilot and recommend it for you to download that. First, you have to go to the Ardupilot repository and search out which is the stable version of plane. In my case, I'm going to search and I find that the plane 4.5 is the most stable version in Ardupilot. I'm going to copy the branch. In my case, plane 4.5. This copied version use in git command for the cloning. After connecting WSL, and I'm going to typing the git command to clone the Ardupilot, especially its branch 4.5 related to planes. Now I'm typing the command to clone Ardupilot stable version related to planes 4.5. As you can see, I have already cloned this version. Now I'm going to run the command. Its submodules can be cloned. As you can see, some modules already cloned. Now I'm going to run the simulation of Ardupilot and going to check the version of Arduplane. Now you can see that our firmware version is 4.5.5 and it is a stable version. So thank you very much for watching this video.